Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to talk about how to take care of your skin during this lockdown. We all have been struggling through this pandemic coronavirus situation that is going on around us, and it's been really difficult for all of us, but all we have to do is just stay at home and maintain social distancing. And the best that we can do to prevent ourselves from being the victim of this disease is by being confident, by staying at home, by not going out unless it's that much essential, because we are all staying at home and we have plenty of time with us. So I was doing my skincare regime. I was following some steps and procedures to take care of my skin, so I thought why not share it with you guys so that you can also try it out, because you have enough time at home and you can follow an elaborate skincare process or regime. And as we cannot go out to salon, so we have to follow these steps at home. So the steps that I'll be talking about in this video are very simple, and I have made sure that you find all these products at home in your kitchen itself, so that you don't have to go out to buy. And at this time also you cannot go out to the store and buy any products like these, or neither can you purchase it online. I'll be using the products that I have, but I'll also be sharing the substitutes of these products or the DIYs which anybody can follow it. So without further ado, let's quickly get started with this video. So as you can see, there's nothing on my face. I just have my lip balm on. So before starting anything, the first step that you have to do is cleanse your face. Now I have already cleansed my face and I have used the Body Shop Drops of Youth face wash. This is a gentle foaming face wash, and I have also already reviewed this product. I'll put the link in the description box below. You can go check that. So I have already cleansed my face. So the first step that you have to do is clean your face completely, remove all the makeup and everything that you have on your face, so that your face becomes fresh, and whatever you apply in your face, it just penetrates into your skin. So the second step is I shave my face, and I also have a full video that I've made on how to shave your face, and is it good or bad and how do you do that. So the second step that I'm going to do is shave my face, and for that I'll be using this razor. This is from Miniso, and I will be shaving my face. So now after you are done shaving your face, I generally shave this portion of my face, these sides and the upper lip portion. So after you shave your face, the third step that you have to follow now is scrubbing your face. Now I have the Body Shop Tea Tree Squeaky Clean Scrub with me, and I will be scrubbing my face with the help of this scrub. You can use any scrub for that matter. You can use any scrub that you have in your home. But if you do not have a ready-made scrub, then what you can do is you can make a coffee scrub. I have already done a video on a DIY scrub that you can make right away in your home, just with the ingredients that you have in your kitchen. So what you have to do is take in some coffee powder that you have, take some honey, and just two ingredients. You just have to make a paste. The coffee powders are usually rough particles, so they will help in exfoliating your face properly. So you have to just apply it on your face and scrub it all throughout your face and neck, and after a few minutes you have to wash your face. The link of that video I'll put in the description. You can again go and check that. So here I'll be using the Body Shop Squeaky Clean Scrub. For that I'll be taking this amount and I will apply it on my face. So after scrubbing my face, I have washed my face. Now the fourth step is to take steam on your face, and for that there are three methods that you can follow. The first method is if you have a steamer at home, the face steamer, you can directly plug it in and add water in it and take the steam on your face. The second step you can follow is you can take a vessel, fill it with water and boil that water, and then close the stove or gas in whatever you were boiling, or the induction. And then what you have to do is take that vessel to a different place, just cover your head and take the steam. That is the second method. And the third method is the one that I will be following now, is take warm water and dip a towel in it, squeeze the excess water and just pat it on your face, which I will be doing it and showing to you. This towel I have dipped in the warm water, and now what I will be doing is just I'll press this towel on my skin like this, so that the warm heat goes into my skin. Then allow your face to dry a bit, and then the next step is applying a face mask. So I have the Plum Green Tea Clear Face Mask with me. I'll be using this face mask today. But if you don't have any ready-made face mask, if you have Multani Mitti at home, you can just add few drops of rose water into the Multani Mitti, make a paste out of it and apply it on your face as a mask. And if at all you don't have that even, then what you have to do is just go into your kitchen, grab some besan, add curd to it and a pinch of turmeric to it. Make a paste out of it and apply it on your face. It's a great DIY for a face mask. So here I'll be using the plum one now. So all you have to do is apply this face mask all over your face. So now I have applied the face pack on my face. I had to use my fingers because it's a very thick face mask and it's very thick in consistency, so I thought I would do it with the face brush, but I couldn't manage to do it, so I had to finally use my fingers. And I have applied it on my whole face. This dries up very quickly and it also gives a tingling sensation, so which means the face pack is working. So yeah, after this completely dries off, I'm going to remove it. Now as you can see, my face pack has completely dried off. Now I'm going to remove this face mask from my face, and for that I'll be using a towel and I'll wipe it off. You can instead wash your face. Now you can see I have completely wiped off the face mask from my face. So these were the 5 steps that you have to follow. One last step that you can also follow is by applying the moisturizer immediately after you remove your face pack, so that your skin doesn't feel dry. Or else you can use a sheet mask if you have at home. So either you can apply any moisturizer you have, or you can use any sheet mask that you have and just put it on your face and allow all the serum to penetrate into your skin. So these were the 5 steps that you need to follow to take care of your skin during this lockdown. So what if you couldn't step out and go to a salon, but you can still do it at home with all the ingredients that you have with you. So this is all about this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. I shall see you in the next one. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.